So one of my roles with BASES, Sports Performance Division, is we try to run workshops for practitioners and researchers and students interested in performance sport. Combat sport being something we're really interested in here at the university. We have a close collaboration with British Judo, and we've had a number of other people talk to us about doing a collaborative workshop over the last 18 months. And we've managed to hold that today. Had a really good turnout with guests from all across the UK and Europe. Some great talks, some great contributions. And hopefully that will create the momentum that we're going to make this a regular thing now going forward.
The event's gone fantastically well today. We've had a brilliant representation from a number of combat sports, and it's always good to get a combat sport community together.
So we had a great range of speakers today. We had applied practitioners in performance analysis, in physiotherapy. We had researchers looking at training load in mixed martial arts, in boxing. In terms of who was here today, we had a fantastic mix. We had undergraduate and postgraduate students, we had practitioners working in the field, we had academic and researchers from UK and European institutions. So a really good mix, and what I thought went really well today is during our breakout sessions, that opportunity to share knowledge and knowledge exchange between people I thought worked really well.
I've always been into martial arts and combat sports, so being in performance analysis, I was really interested to hear different people's perspectives across different disciplines about how high performance sport works and the research they carry out.
It's been great being able to present, representing British Judo and what we do and what we've been doing over the last few years. I'm really proud to share some of our work and excited that we can help other people do a little bit more about what we're doing.
I think going forward there's definitely an appetite and a real need to have this as an annual conference, and I'm sure it's going to just go from strength to strength and will grow in numbers in years to come.
Going forward, this is only going to grow this event on the calendar every year. We have a range of speakers already lined up for next year, so we're really excited about how this is going to progress.